friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Like, why not? Like, you already clicked this video, you already watching this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I post another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this PRADA inspired purse out of Adidas track pants. And this video gonna be a little long, so let's just get right into it. But before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so I first started off by making a stencil, and all I did was trace a purse and cut out the stencil out of cardboard. Here are the pants that I'm going to be making a purse out of. I got them from the thrift store, obviously. I'm pretty sure it was like $4.29, $5.99. I don't know. This is a size 2X. No, this is size 1X. So yeah. After I got my stencil, I cut out some pieces for the inside and some pieces for the outside. I cut out 3 pieces for the outside. As you can see, the 2 pieces that like the purse, and then the layer that goes under the purse. And then for the inside, I cut out 2 layers. But you don't need to cut out 2 layers. All you need is some fabric for the outside and then some pieces for the inside. But I cut out 2 layers because I thought that the mesh and the black would look good on the inside. So yeah, I cut out 2 layers for each purse side, and then I cut out 1 bottom piece for the inside too. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna start off by doing the inside first because this is the easiest. So I took the inside of the purse fabric and I placed good side facing up, as you can see, and then all I did was place the bottom piece good side facing down and pin around the purse. And I did that for both sides, and after I pinned it together, this is what it looked like. Okay, so moving on to the outside of the purse. The part you're going to see. So I took some interfacing, and this is what I used from Hobby Lobby. I just heard that, well, I just looked up the interface and make sure purse stiffer, and this material was super flimsy, so I'm like, okay, let me just try to make it stiffer. So all I did was cut out interfacings for each of the 3 pieces, outside pieces. All you gotta do is put the rough side of the interfacing on the fabric and then iron down on the paper. But when you iron down, you want to, for any fabric that's delicate, such as nylon, which is the pants I'm using, you want to use like a t-shirt or something to iron over it. After I ironed it, this is what it looked like. As you can see, like, it's much stiffer, much more, I don't know, secure in place, not flimsy at all. And after I let it sit and let it cool, all I did was peel off the paper Place some fabric, put it over this. It's a hole, it's going to be a hole, and then sew it through the hole. As you can see, the purse has more shape and it's stiff, and you know, it looks good. Okay, so now it's time to add the zipper and all, like it's time to bring the purse together. So you want to turn the outside of the purse inside out and pin a zipper along the opening. And once you pin it, this is what it should look like. To kill two birds in one stone, after I pinned the zipper, all I did was add the inside of the purse. So the inside of the purse, I kept good side facing out, put it over the purse, put it over the outside of the purse, and pin around that too. And all you want to do is sew along that zipper edge. Like you want to connect the zipper, the outside of the purse, and the inside of the purse all together with one seam. And that's all you want to do. And after I got done sewing all of that, I cut out a piece of the Adidas logo, and all I did was sew along the edges on the front of the purse. After I did all that, this is the purse. This is what it looks like. This is really, the purse is really done, but it's not done. It's done, but it's not done. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Strap. So all I did was cut out the whole Adidas 3-line Adidas seam, and then I cut out another piece, another regular plain piece to go with that. So there's going to be two pieces. One piece is going to be a plain black piece, and then one piece is going to be the 3 white lines. So I'll take the 3 white lines good side facing down, and then the plain black part good side facing up, and sew along the edges of the strap. After I sewed it, all I'm gonna do is take a safety, what are the things called? A safety pin, pin it at the end, and push it through so the good side can be facing out. And here's what it looks like when the good side is facing out. I sewed the strap like this because I wanted it to be like reversible, so I could like flip it on the black side if I wanted to, or flip it on the 3 line side. So the strap is pretty much done. All I gotta do is add the metal clips, and all I did, as you can see, was take some fabric, fold it, put it around the metal clip, place it inside of the strap, and sew it along the line. Is done. Really, you're really done. The next part is optional, but I'm pretty sure you won't want to do that. So on to the little pouch thingy. So all I did, as you can see, was draw. I took the other side of the pants, the other leg pants, and I drew a little pouch shape around where I wanted it to be. And I wanted the 3 Adidas lines to be on the pouch, so I drew it around that. And on the pants, it's a zipper part, like you can unzip it at the bottom and then zip it. So I thought that would be easier because the zipper already on there. So I just drew around that part and cut it out. And after I cut it out, I cut out another piece to attach to the bottom, just like the bottom of the purse. So I have 3 pieces, 1 front piece, 1 back piece, and 1 bottom piece. And all I'm going to do is take the front piece good side facing up, and then the bottom piece good side facing down, and pin around that. And I'm going to do that for both sides. So I'm going to pin both sides onto the bottom piece and sew around it. did was add another metal clip-in, just like I did to the handle strap, the straps, and this is what it looked like. Sewed it on there, and yeah, the purse is really done. The purse is really done. Okay, so now it's time to put the purse together. It's time to put the purse together. So first, you cannot forget the chain. Like, you can't forget the chain. So I got this chain from Home Depot, and all I did was measure it out to see like how I wanted it and how long I wanted it. So all I did, that's what I did, and attached it to the D-rings. That's literally all I did. And then after you attach the chain, attach the handle, put the pouch on the strap, I'm done. And here's the final result. Bye. So on the handle, all I did was add a piece for it to hang, just like. That's all I did. Nothing major. And yeah, this purse is done fire. Like, this purse is so fire. I've been wanting to make a purse for so long, and I'm so happy that I did it. Like, I'm so happy I used these pants to make this purse, because I was thinking about using these pants to make something else, but I'm so glad I made these pants a purse. Like, this junk is so fire. So fire and cute. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This purse is not perfect, but it's cute and it's functional. It's not the perfect shape. It might not have the perfect stitches, but it's cute. And it can hold stuff in it. It can hold a lot of stuff in it. So, it's cute. So, if you like this video, comment down below. Like this video. And subscribe. Because this purse is dumb cute. And follow me on Instagram, because you already know, just follow me on Instagram. You might as well. So, before we end this video, like this video, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next one. Bye.